Hi everyone, this is our latest offering. This is a Scania K400 Irizar PB. As you can tell, it's very distinctively looking, very fashionable design PB. One you see very often when you go to an airport and land in Cyprus or any of these places. It's a one owner from new, as you can see, from Mainline Coaches in Cardiff. It's got very good tyres. It's got a new MOT, or 12 months MOT I think, if I remember rightly. 12.2 metres long. Now the advantage of these are, especially if they're going to be upseated, is it's got the emergency door, which you don't have anymore, which means you can do away with the middle door, take the toilet out to make it comfortably into a 53-seater. So the emergency door for these, especially for export, is probably very useful. Now there's quite a few marks. Obviously it's going to need a repaint, but as you can see, it's genuine condition, and it's going to be very reasonably priced. Again, new tyres, alloy wheels, centre continental door, automatic lockers, massive luggage space. It's Euro 5, the last of the Euro 5s. Now, as we go on board, the usual refinements: Courier seat, fridge. The air conditioning is fully operational. We've just had the controller buttons refurbished because they were hard to press. As you can see, it's done a fair mileage, 550,000 miles, so about 850,000 kilometres I think. No faults on the dash, and I can confirm that the air conditioning works. Very nice maquette actually. The PB seats, very good condition inside to think it's done that mileage. It's got a coffee machine, which we haven't tested. Toilets inside there. As I say, it's probably a vehicle that would benefit from being upseated to 53. There's one misted window there at the rear. Apart from that, they're all good, and the curtains have been removed, which is a shame because they always look better with curtains. No damage actually, very good. No footrest, no magazine nets, no tables, which probably at this age is probably helpful rather than being a nuisance, getting damaged and that sort of thing. And obviously 3-point belts. There's two of these. The sister vehicle is just getting prepared now. So these are 2012, registered March 2012, and they're MOT'd till late March 2027, and they are K400 Euro 5 Irizar PBs. Thank you.